Alright guys, so I'm sure you can tell by the title what we're going to be doing, but we're going to try waxing the wheels to see if it helps keep them clean. It is pollen season coming up, so I'm thinking if we put a good coat of wax on them, it'll be a lot easier to keep them clean. So as you see right now, they are really dirty. I haven't cleaned them. Truck's still got the old stocks on them, obviously, but we're going to get them cleaned up and everything and then put them back on the truck. But here's what we're going to be using. So we're going to start with some dish detergent, which you don't want to use unless you're going to put a wax on your truck. But we're going to put it on the wheel just to get all the, grime and anything that looks like maybe dog pee. So we're going to get all that off using that and have it stripped down to just the bare paint. Then we're going to put a nice set of Meguiar's wax on there, get them all waxed up, and then give them a good detail mist to get all the wax off. So these wheels are actually really clean. I had on my F-150 I had the XD Addicts, and they had the little bolt things on the side. They weren't even real, but they were so horrible to clean. I actually hated cleaning them. And then I had the XD Riots on the Taco, and they sucked as well because in all through here there was like the little holes cut out. And you had to, it was just a nightmare to clean. So that's one of the reasons I love this wheel and got this wheel, because there's no tricky areas. It's all really open, very easy to clean everything. So these are already easy wheels to clean. But we're going to try putting just some wax on there and see if that helps. We'll see the longevity. A lot of people put the ceramic coating on there to help keep them clean. I don't have that. I'm not buying that. We're going to use the wax. I've got it here, so we're going to give it a shot, and it should work really good on these gloss black wheels. So we're going to go ahead and get them cleaned up and start the process. Definitely a good idea to go ahead and clean the back side while they're off the truck, because they're kind of a pain to try to keep the back clean while they're on. So they are looking pristine already, looking super good. So I'm going to get the leaf blower, dry them off, clean rag, get them nice and dry, and then we'll start doing a little wax on them. Alright, we got it all dried off, about to start applying some wax. Let's do it. Alright guys, they've been sitting on there for a while. As you can see, it's got a nice film going on, so let's go ahead and wipe it off. I put it on a little too thick in some places, but it'll all come off. So it does have some residue left that I got to clean off, and some of the powder from the wax, but man, they are shining good. And this really isn't about making them shine anymore, but it probably did, but this is more about hopefully making them easier to clean and them lasting better on their own. So this was a little bit of before action, and then after. Obviously these haven't been cleaned or anything, but yeah, so I'm going to get some detail mist, and that'll be the final step. Alright, so there's our finished product. Boy, is it shining. Just for comparison, it's a dirty one, but yes, it's starting to rain a little bit, so it's got some raindrops on it, but man, it is looking right. That reflection is pretty wild. So we'll see how long it lasts, how good it does, if it helps at all, or if I'm just wasting my time. But as for right now, man, cleaned up absolutely great. Alright guys, well there's the finished product. Got her back on there. Looking absolutely great. Looking brand new. Hopefully it will last. But I'm going to get to work on the rest of the wheels. So I will catch y'all in the next video.